One and all. My presentation topic is status of cold water fishery in India. India is characterized by biodiversity hotspot of flora and fauna. Apart from this, it is well defined with number of characterized unique ecosystem, and that one of the unique one is the cold water fishes present in temperate region of northwestern as well as eastern Himalayas. It comprises about 10,000 kilometers in the form of the stream and the rivers, which includes about 14 states right from Jammu and Kashmir till West Bengal. It comprises of a specific habitat zone, namely high and mid altitude lakes, rivers, stream, their tributaries and reservoir dammed across under temperate environment at and above the altitude of 914 meter. Specific temperature ranging between 1 to 20 degrees Celsius, having a characteristic topographical features, rapid flow pattern, cascades, clear water, high dissolved oxygen. These are the basic requirement which supported the cold water fishes. The same characteristic was found in the Western Ghats, specifically in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala states, which is because of that many of the cold water species were found in this area also. The distribution is very specific and it requires certain condition like the water current should be high, nature of the substratum, water temperature as well as availability of the food. The species distribution was found to be in higher in the upper reaches as compared to the mid and the lower reaches because it consists of torrential water current which it doesn't have in the mid and the lower reaches. To overcome such extreme climatic condition, the species undergo certain adaptation, namely the flattening of the bodies, reduction in the body size, reduction in the scales, eyes and barbels, modified mouth part for sucking and burrowing, reduced gills with narrow gill opening. These are few cold water fishes pics. In India, 58 species were found, which belongs to 21 family and about 76 genera. Schizothorax, Cyprinus, Carasus, Begana, Gara, Labio, Puntius, Toro. These are all belongs to the Cyprinidae family. Other families are included in the form of Cobitidae, Clariidae, Ophicephalidae, Notopteridae, etc. Due to developmental projects, namely hydroelectric and irrigation, it causes impact in the form of the pollution, deforestation, increased sedimentation, flow alteration, water diversion, etc., which shows their impact on cold water fisheries. Specific measures has been suggested by various experts. If these measures are stringently followed, then conservation and the protection of cold water fishery can be attained to a maximum strength. All these efforts definitely help for the development as well as upliftment of the rural people in hilly areas, and that definitely ensures sustainable development. The aim of presenting this paper is only to present this unique ecosystem in this large platform. Hope my presentation will contribute in certain awareness of such unique ecosystem. With this note, I am thanking my principal, Anand Niketan College Anandvan, for providing all the facilities as well as also the coordinator for giving me such a nice opportunity. Thank you.